Have you wondered how to incorporate the goodness of Akhrot, also known as walnut, into your pregnancy diet? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we will explore the incredible benefits of eating Akhrot during pregnancy and provide you some valuable tips to make the most out of this nutrition diet. So, let's dive in. Understanding the benefits of Akhrot. Akhrot or walnut are packed with essential nutrients that can contribute to a healthy pregnancy. Here are some key benefits. Number 1. Rich in omega-3 fatty acid. Did you know that the Akhrot is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acid? These healthy fats are crucial for your baby's brain and eye development. Including Akhrot in your diet can provide a natural boost of these essential nutrients. Number 2. High in antioxidant. Akhrot contain powerful antioxidants that help protect your body against harmful free radicals. This can support your immune system and overall well-being, ensuring a healthy pregnancy. Number 3. Sources of fiber. Fiber is important for maintaining proper digestion and preventing constipation, a common issue during pregnancy. Akhrot is a great source of dietary fiber which can help promote regular bowel movement. Tip for incorporating Akhrot in your pregnancy diet. Now that we know why Akhrot is beneficial during pregnancy, let's discuss some practical tips of how to include it in your diet. Number 1. Snack on raw Akhrot. One of the simplest ways to enjoy Akhrot is by eating them raw as a snack. Keep a small container of walnut handy so you can munch on them whenever you feel hungry. They can form a delicious and satisfying on-the-go treat. Number 2. Add Akhrot to your meal. You can also incorporate Akhrot into your meals for an added nutritional boost. Sprinkle chopped walnut over your morning oatmeal or yogurt, or add them to your salad for a delightful crunch. They can even be used as a topping for cooked vegetable or whole grain dishes. Number 3. Try homemade walnut butter. If you're looking for a versatile option, why not make your own walnut butter? Blend raw Akhrot in a food processor until they form a smooth and creamy consistency. Spread it on a whole grain bread or use it as a dip for your fruits and vegetables. Precaution and consideration. While Akhrot offers numerous benefits, it's essential to keep a few precautions in mind during pregnancy. Moderation is the key. Like with any food, it's important to consume Akhrot in moderation. While they're packed with nutrients, they're also calorie dense. Be mindful of portion size to maintain a balanced diet throughout your pregnancy. Allergy alert. Some individuals may be allergic to walnut. If you have a history of nut allergies or any allergic reaction, it's best to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating Akhrot into your diet. Quality and storage. To ensure freshness and maintain the nutritional value of Akhrot, store them in a airtight container in a cool, dark place. Be sure to check for any signs of spoilage before consuming them. Now that you are equipped with valuable information on incorporating Akhrot into your pregnancy diet, it's time to take action. Start by including these nutrients nuts in your daily routine and experience the benefits firsthand. Remember, a healthy diet is vital for a healthy pregnancy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more pregnancy tips and advice. Take care of yourself and little one. And until next time, happy and healthy eating. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet during pregnancy. This video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as medical advice.